gusto mo lang naman pumasa sa project.
Uh-huh.
Tapos, biglang pumasa ka rin sa heart. Academic requirement lang to, Lord, but my feelings!
Yan. Tama yan.
Ay, ako. Ito na! Pinakaayokong topic! Wala na, nag-2026 na po, wala na po yung malanding mix. Bitter mix na po ang meron.
Bitter. Hindi bitter.
Oo.
Bisaya. Bitter.
Bitter.
Welcome back to Snap, where we prove that sometimes love doesn't come from dating apps. Because minsan, it comes from your chat sa Google Docs.
Ang landi!
Di lang i-edit yung project nila.
Oo nga. Diyos ko.
Kasi since Valentine's Day and Chinese New Year, magkalapit lang basically. Back-to-back
Yes.
sila this year. Today's theme is about love and luck. O, diba? Hindi naman kami magpang-date na attire. Ako naka-long sleeve pa. Ako hindi to special.
Ako
Because
nakapula.
nakapula pa si Mix, diba? Kasi nga, apparently, may mga taong sinwerte, hindi lang sa tikoy, kundi pati sa crush nila.
Maghiwalay din kayo. Maghiwalay din kayo. Simulan na natin, shall we?
Yes.
Okay, so for our first story.
Mukha na stress si Mix.
Oo nga eh. Buisit kasi. Gusto ko lang naman may magmahal sa akin eh. Yun na lang eh. Chinese New Year na nga eh. Pero given Year of the Rat, malas ako this year against the Year of the Hawk. So, baka. Ay! Anyway, to our
luck
first...
next year.
Ay, naku. Okay, on to our first story. Tinititulong The Last Slot Groupmate. So, itong story na to ay galing kay Jada M. na taga Paranaque. 32. And ikaw na. Taken. Ikaw na.
Taken? Yan ba yung kinidnap?
Si Liam Neeson, no? Second year college. Our prof announced a final project and told us to form groups of 4. I already had one friend and her boyfriend with us. Me, being a dakilang third wheel, didn't want to feel awkward. That time, nakita ko yung crush kong guy na medyo tall, chinito, and a bit nerdy, was standing alone. Tall, chinito, medyo nerdy. Swerte naman yung lalaki yan. Anyway,
Tsaka masyado naman dakila to. Ayaw lang maging third wheel. Maghanap ng ka-group. Oh, come on. Ganun talaga yung, oh, come on.
trying to find a group mate. At
Okay.
bilang makapal mukha ko, I approached him. Makapal talaga mukha mo. And I approached him and I jokingly said, Uy, kulang kami isa. Uy, kulang kami isa.
Babae nagsabi. Excuse me. Kami siya.
Kulang kami siya. He joined. Wow. That one project turned into a daily library sessions, shared snacks, and late night chats. Late night chats. Group work.
Group work.
After the sem ended, he asked me out cutely. I am now Mrs. M. Wow, Mrs. M! For 10 years! Wow, 10 years na. Buti ka pa. Thanks to this cute kapal face of mine who approached him that day. Sumakses ako sa love life. JK! Exclamation. Anong JK? Sumakses ka talaga! Success!
Success, di ba?
Success na
Salamat ka,
success.
makapal mukha mo.
Oo.
That sounded wrong. Pero salamat ka, makapal talaga mukha mo.
Ay,
Kaya
nako.
success ka. Ayan. Yun nga yung
Oo.
nakakatawa eh. Yung mga, joke lang. Try ko
joke
lang
lang.
subukan. Pero
Oo.
yun yung, sabi nga, the strongest flirting strategy or ability known to man. Yung mga biro-biro lang, naging totoo.
Yes.
Diba? Yan.
Mga
Kaya yung
biro-biro
mga,
lang. yung mga humor. Yung mga humor.
humor.
Dinadaan sa humor. Yeah.
Kunwari, itutulak ka ng mga kaibigan mo, dumaan yung crush mo. Uy, si ano? Yung mga joke-joke lang, tapos magiging ending, magiging talaga.
Oo.
As
Oo
wanted.
Hindi ako makareact eh kasi naiinggit ako eh.
Oo. Yeah.
Ayun ako. Yung mga yun nga eh, yung mga simpleng mga pasimpleng casual invite na hindi naman talaga casual invite. Merong mga hidden intentions.
Pinagplanuhan yan. Oo.
Yes. Sabi nga nila, very Chinese New Year coded yan.
Yeah.
Hindi mo hiningi. You didn't ask for love. But love came with the prosperity package.
Diba?
Year of the horse.
Ah.
Diba? Mga kabayo,
Diba?
ano yan eh. Mga harurot yan eh. So,
Ang life quote ni Jada daw ay, aanhin ko ang tikoy mo kung magiging akin ka naman.
wow! Ikaw na! Buisit
Ikaw
naman
na.
eh.
10 years na. Tama na yan.
10 years.
Hiwalay.
Hoy, wag ka naman ganyan. Kasal na eh. Wag naman ganyan.
Okay,
Yung mga
okay.
jowa
Hindi.
lang. Yung mga
Ibig
mag-jowa
sabihin,
lang.
Ibig ko sabihin, maglalumad din. Diba? Sa iba. Stay put na kayo. 10 years na eh. Tama na yun.
10 years na. Tama na yan. Pag give chance to others.
Okay, verdict.
Verdict. Okay, verdict. Nasubukan mo na bang maging humble? Question mark. Binabawa ni Lord ang blessing ng mayayabang.
Yan.
Nga naman, wag mo naman
Kasi nga
ipabukas.
daw, makapal daw yung mukha niya. This
Oo.
cute face of mine is
Oo.
what made her Mrs. M for 10
Oo
years.
nga. Ako rin naman, kapal-kapal ng mukha ko, wala pa rin.
Eh, paano kung habang nagluluto ka, masabugan ng gasol yun? Mga bitter talaga eh, no? Halata.
Story number 2 with the title, Work Project, Fake Professionalism. Wow.
Aha.
Okay. Mukhang ano to mukhang masaya to kasi yung mga romance in the office. Yan, laging masaya yung mga kwento na yan eh. So, this story comes from Maru G. Taga Ayala, 29, and she's taken. New hire ako sa office. I saw this guy sa first day ko na sobrang dashing. As in, para siyang kumikinang nung nakita ko. Wow, Angel. Angel si Koya.
Nax. Ikaw ba, Migs, kumikinang ka ba pag naglalakad?
I wish. Kapag nagpapawisan ako.
Nagmamantika yun, pareho sa akin. Hindi po kinang yun, mantika po namin yun.
Mantika.
Natapatan lang ng araw, kaya
Yes. Na love at first sight ako. At na-feel ko rin na mukhang may laban naman ako kung magiging crush ko siya.
Wow.
May laban.
Sapat to eh.
May asim. Lalo na nung nalaman kong same age kami and single siya. Ibang tao talaga may tinatadhana eh. Tinatadhana,
Tinatadhana, iniimbestigahan. Ang investigador yata to eh.
Then after a month, my supervisor assigned me to a project with my office crush. Super professional kami during meetings, but we always ended up staying late to finish tasks.
So,
Okay. One night, we ordered food, talked about life, and realized we like each other pala. Feel ko super ganda ko nitong moment na to. Feel it. Honestly, kapag nandyan ka nga naman sa moment na yan, talagang enjoy mo na, di ba? Talagang feel mo na lahat ng confidence. So, tama naman. Okay, I give you that.
pwede ba magmura dito? joke lang.
Beef.
Masyado naman. Kasi naman nung Sige.
We started dating secretly until the project ended. Now we're public and still teammates. Wow.
Okay.
Buti pa kayo. Sabi nga nila, huwag kang kakain kung saan ka nagbabanyo.
What?
Yeah, ano yun? Kasi sa English better, hindi ko lang kasi masabi in English kasi mura yung dulo.
Okay.
Yes.
Gets.
Ay, nako.
Well,
pero yun
yun
nga
nga.
I mean, for these kinds of, situations, talagang nothing bonds faster. Nothing bonds people faster than deadline trauma.
Okay tayo, may deadline pala kayo. Ba't kayo naglalandian?
Oo, naglalandian sila. Ang galing, di ba?
Gawin nyo yung trabaho nyo.
Sometimes your career growth and love life move up together. Meron nga naman talagang swerte. Given, meron mga tao sa office ko na naswertehan na yung naging current partner nila is a coworker. So, nangyayari talaga to. Unfortunately for me, I tried kaso yun nga.
Ayaw.
Hindi na kami nag-uusap. Tapos pag nakikita ko siya, ako yung lumalayo.
Hindi naman kasi alam ni Migs. Kaya, give him some
I'm
slack.
gonna address her in this video. Kasi hindi naman niya naiintindihan yung Tagalog. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung sino. Pero kung mapanood mo man to, and if ever matuto ka ng Tagalog, I am sorry for what I did. I know I was too strong, pero, I have to follow what my heart tells me to do or else life is dull. Unfortunately, yun nga, hindi mo ako nagustuhan, so whatever.
So, yung thrill ng buhay mo, napunta doon sa HR.
Yes.
Okay, verdict.
Ang verdict dito, ang mga lumalandi ng todo, binabawasan ng supervisor ang pondo.
Ayan. Okay, so zero
Very
budget
true.
ngayon yung project nila.
Yes.
Maghanap kayo ng
true,
budget.
very true.
Inubos nyo, kakagrab po nyo. Kusina pala ang may bayad nun. Akala ko
Actually,
naman.
nabasa ko yung verdict natin kasi yung merong term lumalandi. Meron akong recently na fina-follow na influencer. Sobrang naaliw ako sa content niya. Kasi talagang tama naman. Ang pangalan niya sa handle niya is si Landian with Danny. Tapos ang tagline niya, lumalandi responsibly.
Possibly.
Yes. Tama naman, di ba? Tsaka honestly, I mean, she's cute. So, if ever mapanood mo to, Danny, baka naman, shoot my shot, Kobe.
Paki-email na lang po ang iyong application. Sa email na nakikita yung sa baba ng inyong mga TV screens.
Yes. Ito na yung date. Ito na yung ko. If ever mapanood to ni Danny, engineer, dating taga Lasal, ngayon sa US, may sasakyan, may bahay. Ano pang hanapin mo, di ba? Jowa ka, Jiri. Sabi ko lang naman na cute siya. Yun lang naman. Aminado naman ako. She's cute.
Okay, last story. Hindi ko kinaya yun. Nag-apply on air. Story number 3. Naghihimalang tikoy. Wow. Lakas baka Viva Max ng title. Ano ba to? Okay, galing to kay Brian T. from San Juan, who is 30 and also, as usual, taken. Sino bang hindi?
That's true. At this point, yes.
I studied in a co-ed Philchai High School. There's this girl who's been my crush na since first year. She was like the dream girl of the guys sa school. Lagi siya nililigawan ng varsity guys, but she always turns them down. So during our second year, we were assigned random groups for a research project right before Chinese New Year break. I ended up as a part of a group with my crush.
Wow.
Swerte na naman. As I was assigned to do the proofreading while she was the group leader. As expected, we kept on messaging to prepare and do the paper. There were nights when we would be left alone, ito na naman, on Zoom, and just talk. after CNY, we came back to school, but now we've become closer.
Wow.
On presentation day, she gave me tikoy for luck. But
Wow.
after class, she confessed that she liked me since
Wow.
first year as well, with 4 exclamation points.
Wow.
Which explains why she was turning down those varsity guys. Sus, dapat sumama na lang siya dun sa varsity. Hinihintay niya pala ako to make a move on her because she really likes responsible guys now. We've been together ever since.
Wow. Wow. Pero, I mean, actually magandang point yun. I want to bring this up on this episode actually. Na usually nowadays, ang hirap na as a guy, as a straight guy to, go up to a girl and confess. Kasi sobrang dami ng pwedeng interpretation eh. Kaya madaming guy na ngayon na takot mag-approach ng girl kasi nga either mababrand as creep or yun nga obviously dadaan sa lande. Hindi magandang image basically kasi parang ang dating parang playboy dahil
parang kailangan lagi ka maging politically correct or polite or
oo, exactly.
whatever. Parang
so,
yun yung
hirap.
nangunguna sa'yo imbis na parang magawa mo yung gusto mong gawin. I mean, hindi naman bastos yung gagawin mo. Pero kasi,
gusto mo lang naman kilalanin.
iniingatan mo yung sarili mo rin na hindi ka makulong.
Yes.
Parang
Exactly.
ganun.
For Brian's girlfriend, I really salute her for, for her to be the one to make the first move. Kasi nga, ang hirap nga naman nga kasi nowadays nga na umamin as a straight guy. Which is, oh my God, ang hirap. Yun nga eh, like I said, dun sa office romance ko, di ba? I did it and then, awkward na. Di ba? Ang hirap eh.
Dapat daw kasi namigay ka ng tikoy. Tikoy sa LA.
Hindi nila maintindihan yun eh.
Ano to? Pandikit? Gusto ko tuloy tanongin, ano bang brand ng tikoy na
Yung
binigay
tikoy.
ng babae? Poland ba yan? O NDT? Kasi depende eh. Kung ano mas
True.
sarap. Pero yun nga, actually, if you come to think of it, that's not just a gift.
Yes.
But that's a symbolism. Lalo na nasa Philchay High School siya.
Right.
Diba? So, tikoy means togetherness because you'll stick together just like how
Yes.
that tikoy is sticky enough. So,
Exactly.
yeah. Masasabi ko, inaprobahan na lang yan ng universe.
Oo
Kasi
nga.
random group,
Oo.
tas nag-holiday break, tas lagi kayo
Yeah.
nag-zoom chat. So parang inorganize na lang siguro. Tas biro mo, second year pa lang kayo. Nagkagustuhan lang kayo, first year lang.
Right.
So fresh pa.
Yep.
Mga bata pa naman kayo, pwede pa naman kayo maghanap ng iba. So, higilan nyo na yun. Joke.
Verdict?
Verdict,
Okay.
ang aming verdict dito sa kwentong ito, gabay lamang natin naman. Sabi nga ni Sinidal sa iba, sa umaga kay ganda dati, gabay lamang natin ang mga bituin. Meron tayong tikoy, gamitin natin ito pang regalo sa mga mahal natin sa buhay.
Tama. Idaan natin sa
Magbabalik
tikoy.
po ang umagang kay ganda. Maybe love isn't always about bold confessions or even grand gestures, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi naman may pambihira, tikoy lang ang katapat. Di ba? Rampok nyo naman. Ibahin nyo naman yung loob nyo.
Sometimes it is about sitting next to someone and saying, okay, how do we start this project?
Marako. Sapay.
This Valentine's and Chinese New Year, reminder lang, luck shows up when you least expect it. Nakakapagod na pakinggan yun.
And sometimes your biggest blessing isn't a grade because it's the group mate.
Hindi.
Sana kahit
Magtrabaho
sa
nga
group,
kayo.
Ako kahit sa groupmate, wala akong nagiging blessing. Minsan mga traitor pa yung mga groupmate. Ay, nako. Anyway, we wish everyone a happy Valentine's. Sabi nga ng mga batang Pinis, Valentine's. And kung si Fatchay. Oo. Magpatikoy naman kayo dyan. Diba? Anyway, that's it for our episode today. Make sure that you are subscribed and following our YouTube channel for more fun conversations like this na kayo lang ang natutuwa. Hindi. I'm stupid.
Make sure you're also following us on Spotify and Apple Podcasts, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up over there as well. And I'm Miguel, and we'll see you again the next time.
Bye!
Bye-bye! Landian ni Danny, baka naman. Landian ni Danny, baka naman.
Alam mo, ma-block ko yung page natin sa ginagawa mo.
Hoy!